The pencil journey begins in massive factories, where workers and machines prepare raw materials with precision. High-quality graphite comes from mines like Madagascar, carefully selected for smooth, dark, and reliable writing. Clay is blended with graphite to control hardness and darkness, ensuring perfect pencil leads. Workers handle raw materials carefully, so every gram contributes to uniform, smooth cores. Cedar wood is harvested for durable, straight, and easy-to-shape pencil bodies. Graphite and clay are ground and mixed with water to form a smooth, uniform pencil core paste. The paste is extruded into rods, shaped by precision machines for consistent quality. Cedar logs are cut into precise slats, creating a perfect base for graphite core assembly. Graphite rods are placed into grooves and glued securely, ready for pressing. Hydraulic presses compress the slats, keeping cores perfectly centered and pencils durable. Hexagonal cutters shape each pencil, preventing rolling and providing a comfortable grip. Pencils are sanded carefully, smoothing every surface for a flawless feel. Lacquer coating adds color and protection, while machines ensure a durable, shiny finish. Logos and brand markings are stamped precisely to ensure authenticity and quality. Rubber is blended and shaped into erasers that remove pencil marks cleanly. Ferrules attach the erasers securely, completing the standard pencil structure. Polishing highlights the reflective shine, making every pencil visually flawless. Automated sensors detect defects, ensuring only perfect pencils move forward. Workers inspect paint, shape, and finish by hand, maintaining top-quality standards. Leads are tested for hardness and darkness, guaranteeing consistent writing quality. Finished pencils are grouped, boxed, and blister-packed for safe transport. Boxes are stacked and loaded onto forklifts, keeping logistics smooth and organized. Cargo trucks deliver pencils worldwide, ensuring stores are stocked on time. A single pencil rests ready for use. Sunlight highlights its polished yellow surface. Its graphite tip promises smooth writing. Students pick pencils from their desks. They prepare to write or draw carefully. The pencil connects creator and paper. The pencil glides smoothly across paper. Graphite leaves crisp, clean lines. Writing or drawing feels effortless. Erasers remove mistakes smoothly. Marks disappear without tearing paper. Corrections remain clean and precise. Classrooms fill with pencils in motion. Students write, draw, and explore ideas. Education relies on simple tools. Professionals also use pencils daily. Notes and drafts stay clear and neat. Even modern offices depend on them. Pencils appear in many forms. Different colors, sizes, and shapes exist. Each offers creativity and function. Artists sketch detailed designs carefully. Every line reflects patience and precision. The pencil becomes a creative tool. Mistakes vanish with gentle erasing. Graphite fades without damaging paper. Ideas improve through revision. Inside factories, machines operate in rhythm. Conveyors move materials steadily forward. Each pencil follows a precise process. Boxes of pencils await distribution. Forklifts stack shipments carefully. Warehouses store them for transport.